A good strategy for healthy weight loss. The 3 key factors. Weight loss is a common goal for many people looking to improve their health and fitness. While there are many diets and weight loss plans available, the key to healthy weight loss is to focus on making sustainable lifestyle changes. This video will provide you with tips on how to achieve healthy weight loss and maintain it long-term. Firstly, it's important to understand that weight loss is not a one-size-fits-all solution. The best way to achieve healthy weight loss is to work with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian to develop a personalized plan based on your specific needs and goals. One of the most important aspects of healthy weight loss is to make gradual changes to your diet and lifestyle. Crash diets or extreme calorie restrictions are not sustainable and can actually harm your health in the long run. Instead, focus on making small changes to your eating habits, such as swapping out processed snacks for fresh fruits and vegetables, reducing your portion sizes, and cutting back on sugary drinks and alcohol. In addition to making changes to your diet, increasing physical activity is also essential for healthy weight loss. Try to do at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. Strength training can also help build muscle and boost your metabolism, which can help you burn more calories even at rest. A good strategy for healthy weight loss involves a combination of 3 key factors. 1. Eating healthily. Eating healthily means consuming a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. These foods provide the body with the necessary nutrients and energy needed for optimal health and functioning. Eating healthily also means avoiding processed and high-calorie foods that are low in nutrients and can contribute to weight gain. 2. Making smart choices. Making smart choices involves being mindful of the foods you consume and making conscious decisions that support your weight loss goals. This includes choosing healthy options when eating out, reading food labels to make informed choices, and tracking your food intake to monitor your progress. 3. Getting enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is also essential for healthy weight loss. Studies have shown that lack of sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate hunger and satiety, leading to overeating and weight gain. You need at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night to support your weight loss efforts. By implementing these 3 factors into your weight loss strategy, you can create a healthy and sustainable plan that will help you reach your goals. It's important to remember that healthy weight loss is a gradual process, and results may not happen overnight. However, by focusing on making small, consistent changes to your lifestyle, you can achieve long-term success and improve your overall health and well-being. In conclusion, healthy weight loss is about making sustainable lifestyle changes that you can maintain long-term. This includes making gradual changes to your diet, increasing physical activity, getting enough sleep, and having a positive mindset. Remember to work with a healthcare professional to develop a personalized plan that works best for you. With patience and persistence, you can achieve your weight loss goals and improve your overall health and well-being.